thick pancakes. Weigh out your dry ingredients in a baking bowl, which is your self-raising flour, your salt, bicarbonate of soda, and your caster sugar. In a measuring jug, weigh out your wet ingredients, which is your semi-skimmed milk, your buttermilk, 2 eggs, and your melted butter. Mix your wet ingredients together. Add your wet ingredients to your dry ingredients until you get a smooth batter. This process will take about 2 to 3 minutes to get a smooth batter. Meanwhile, heat 1 tablespoon of oil in your frying pan. Make sure the oil is hot before you add the batter. When you see loads of bubbles, you'll see loads and loads of bubbles, that's an indication to flip. So either use a fish slice to flip it, or if you're confident, go freestyle. Repeat this process 8 times or until your batter's finished. The cooking time will get shorter as your pan heats up as well. Remember, look for the bubbles, flip, nice golden brown. Serve your pancakes with anything you want, berries, maple syrup, bacon. I like mine with strawberries and basil and yogurt. Each to their own. Enjoy!